Does sugar in the raw melt in a microwave? I was just thinking, like, look at it. It's like such a grainy, you know, like such a hard piece of sugar. But what if I like, I just want to know what happens to it in the microwave. I just want to know. You know, you make a syrupy sauce on the stove, but can you actually melt sugar in a microwave? Not just any sugar, sugar in the raw. How much should we put it on for? Let's try 10 seconds. Microwave my sugar in the raw. God, 10 seconds goes really quickly, doesn't it? Call me a little bowl. Nope. Still the same. Okay. Let's try 20 seconds. At this rate, probably why you do it on the stove, isn't it? So that you can like melt it and quickly. I don't know, I just want to know what happens to it. Because it's always like, sugar in the raw is always the harshest. I'm a Splenda girl, so. Wow, this stuff can, with like the bowl itself is really hot, and the sugar does not melt. All right, that's it. Let's go full out. We're going full out now. I kind of want to do a minute. Not bad. Let's try 30 seconds. I want it to melt. No wonder when you put the stuff in your tea or coffee or whatever, it's like at the bottom of your cup unless you wait for it to dissolve, right? So technically, that's why I'm trying to test this out, peeps. Microwave, heat, melt it, dissolve. Exciting. Hot, 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 hot bowl. Oh my god, it's still friggin' granules. It does not melt in the microwave. Am I going to break this thing if I put it in for a minute? It's so hot, I'm going to touch the rim of this. Alright, we're doing a minute. I want to put it in something. You know what, I'll do it. You know, no. Well, it's microwavable, this thing. Alright, let's just do it. 1 minute. Ah! I'm going to need something to pull this out here. Boop, 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 boop. It's going to be too hot for my hand. I hope the glass doesn't break. I can't believe it didn't melt at all in 30 seconds. And not only that, but it's had a combination of 10, 20 and 30. So it's had 50 seconds with time in between, obviously, to rest. And nothing's happened. So a minute straight. I don't know. Shouldn't get my hopes up high. But it is always annoying because that's part of the reason why I have Splenda and stuff, because it's powder and it just, you know, bloop. Whereas sugar in the raw just hangs out. You know what I mean? Hangs out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. I cannot believe it. It is still granules. I actually thought this was going to work. Sugar in the raw does not melt in a microwave, people. This bowl is like absolutely too hot to touch, and it's still sitting in there like friggin' chunks. You raw sugar, you raw sugar.